Did you know you can grow one of the most powerful superfood trees right at home, starting from a simple seed? Today I'll show you exactly how to germinate moringa seeds step by step, fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Whether you want fresh leaves, natural nutrition, or just a beautiful fast-growing tree, this method will give you a high success rate. Let's get started. First, you'll need mature, dry moringa pods. Gently crack them open using your hands. Inside, you'll find round seeds with papery wings. Remove them carefully and set them aside. Always make sure the seeds are firm and healthy. Avoid soft or damaged ones. Next, extract complete. Time to wake those seeds up. Fill a clean glass container with natural distilled mineral water, no tap water folks, to avoid chemicals. Drop in your seeds and let them soak for 2 full days at room temp. Why 2 days? It softens the hard seed coat for faster germination. Stir gently once a day for even soaking. After 48 hours, they're ready for the germination boost. Line a shallow plastic tray or any small container with a damp kitchen paper towel. Lay the seeds out one by one. Give them a little breathing room, about 2 centimeters apart. Mist gently with a spray bottle. The paper should be moist, not soggy. Cover the container to create a humid environment. Place it in a warm, dark spot, like a cupboard or a shaded corner indoors. Keep in mind, moringa loves warmth, so keep it around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for best results. In just a few days, you'll start seeing tiny roots and shoots emerging. This means your moringa seeds are ready to be planted in soil. That's what we will discover in the next video. And that's it. A simple, effective way to germinate moringa seeds at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow plant lovers.